Club Noi Saigon American English Club, Nha Trang American English Club, and Pom Pom Ding Ding English. We're filming live in Saigon, District 8. This is a fishing pond, a cement, the material cement. We call it a pond, P-O-N-D. And we're shrimp fishing. This is a restaurant, and they could cook the shrimp for you if you like. So we're shrimp fishing right now. This is worms. They're chopped up, little worms. This is a fishing pole. All right, 0909755021. Zalo or Viber. All right. See you again. Yo, yo, yo.